हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल, योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे। हियर आई एम क्रॉसिंग कैंपस एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू रीड आउट द महाभारत 13th episode. Those who are new to my channel, if you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, then please do subscribe to my channel and also like and share with your friends. And do let me know in the comment section as to what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you. Let's proceed with the Mahabharata story. That is, today is the 13th episode, the meditation of a yogi. Krishna then told Arjuna how a yogi should train himself for meditation. The yogi should choose a place of solitude and a seat which is neither too high nor too low. He said he should have complete control over his mind and senses, holding his body, head and neck straight. He should look at the tip of his nose. With his mind focused on me, he will find himself at peace and attain supreme bliss. A true yogi does not go to extremes. He performs his duties and is never in sorrow. He has control over himself and his desires and does not waver in his efforts. He experiences true joy and happiness through the intellect. To him, meditation is a joy, the joy of an enlightened man. There are still many obstacles in his way, but he is not shaken. Through his self-control, he subdues his mind and attains peace. This brings him the highest happiness and supreme bliss. Such a person sees God in all living beings and becomes the most accomplished yogi, remaining equally calm in pain and pleasure. The next verse is mastering the restless mind. Knowing that it is most difficult to gain control over the ever wavering mind, Arjuna asked Krishna, "But again, how does one become a master of the restless mind?" Krishna replied that this was indeed a difficult task. He asserted that the mind could be tamed through self-control, ceaseless effort, concentration and dedication. Arjuna next asked, what happens to one who, though having faith, cannot subdue his passions and control his mind? Without waiting for an answer, he said, such a person would experience neither worldly pleasures nor heavenly bliss. He wanted Krishna to tell him what the fate of such a person would be. Krishna's reply was reassuring. He said, sincere efforts and actions are never wasted. A good man can never meet with an evil end. He will go to a place reserved for the good and will be reborn in this world in a noble family where duties are held in high esteem. People are God-fearing, have regard for truth and are learned scholars. Here in this place, he pursues his practice with great vigor and strives further for perfection. Through continued meditation and concentration, he reaches the supreme state. Krishna advised Arjuna to become a yogi as he is superior to both the man of knowledge and the ascetic. He realizes the unity of man and God. Of all the yogis, he who worships him is the greatest. The relationship between him and the yogi could only be compared to that between the body and the soul. Yes friends, this was the 13th episode of Mahabharata story. See you soon in the next video. Till then, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Bye bye.